So what's your favorite Valentine's Day memory with Ash?
Valentine's Day, Nammala. It's hard enough to remember our wedding anniversary. Forget Valentine's Day. Do we have any?
Not for me. I remember everything perfectly and
Got the better memory.
recall the memories and don't let me down.
We went to a cricket ground once. It was about cricket again. But, and then we managed to catch some dinner.
Listen, cricket is my first love, everlasting love. And I took her to the cricket ground where I started playing, and it's very, very special to me. And symbolically tried to indicate that she's on par, if not better than the game itself. And I don't understand how that didn't get down. Anyway, never better late than ever. It is.
So it was quite a long, while back. But nowadays we're always in and out of bubbles, so it's very, very hard to hold on to such moments. They become a lot more precious.
I know I've actually been feeling a tad bad for not gifting anything, and hence I've got you something special.
Oh.
So this is your Valentine's Day gift.
Thank you. Wow, I didn't know Bombay Shaving Company made products for women. I love this.
I know BSC has made some lovely products, but what about the giver? I think you can compliment me too.
Wait, you're always fishing for compliments. I did one better.
I think I just pushed a little bit.
There you go.
Oh wow, one for me as well.
Yes.
Nice. I actually love it. It's my favorite. Oh, guess there is another surprise.
It's personalized, mister.
Thank you.